Hello everyone. My name is Kevin.
My name is Karen.
I'm from 7th grade.
I'm from 4th grade.
And we are from HKBP Cimanggis. Today we want to tell you about the story of Paul.
Hello, I'm Saul. I was born with the name Saul in the city of Tarsus, now part of Turkey. I am the Jew from tribe of Benjamin and a Pharisee who was very obedient to the law of Moses. I am also a Roman citizen and I was educated by the famous teacher Gamaliel in Jerusalem. In my youth, I was very fanatical and strongly opposed Christianity. I was known as one of the persecutors of the early church, arresting, abusing, and imprisoning Christians. I also approved the killing of Stephen. When persecuting Christians, I felt that I was defending my God. The most important event of my life occurred when I was traveling to Damascus with the intention of arresting more Christians. In the middle of my journey, I saw a very bright light and I heard the voice of Jesus. Saul, Saul, why do you persecute me? After seeing the light, I became blind. Upon arriving in Damascus, I met Ananias, and then I was healed and baptized. In that moment, I changed completely and became known as Paul.
After my conversion, I began to preach that Jesus is the Messiah. In my ministry, I was once rejected and suspected. So I was brought by Barnabas to Jerusalem so I could be accepted by the other apostles. After that, I started my first missionary journey with Barnabas, traveling to the regions of Antioch, Cyprus, Lystra, and Iconium, where many Gentiles began to believe in Christ. So I continued my second missionary journey with a new team traveling to the regions of Philippi, Thessalonica, Athens, and Corinth. In Athens, I famously spoke at the Areopagus about the unknown God. After that, I conducted my third missionary journey with my main focus on strengthening existing churches. Besides that, I also taught more deeply in the center of ministry, which is in Ephesus. In Ephesus, I stayed for 3 years, where in my ministry, many miracles and church growth happened. After that, I returned to Jerusalem. I was arrested by the Jews. I was accused of defiling the temple, and I was put into prison. But because I'm a Roman citizen, I appealed to be tried by Caesar. So I was sent to Rome. In my journey to Rome, my ship wrecked, but I survived miraculously. Upon arriving in Rome, I kept preaching the gospel, even though I was still under house arrest. In Rome, I was executed during the reign of Emperor Nero, dying as a martyr because of my faith in Christ. During my entire ministry, I wrote numerous letters in the New Testament, which is 1 and 2 Corinthians, Romans, Philippians, Ephesians, Galatians, Colossians, 1 and 2 Thessalonians, 1 and 2 Timothy, Titus, and Philemon. My letters shaped the foundation of Christian teachings until now.
The lesson of my life is an example of total transformation. From a persecutor to an apostle, from an enemy to the church into its greatest builder, and lastly, from a love fanatic to a bearer of praise, proving that God can change anyone for a great purpose, for the glory of God. Your goodness is running after
me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I'm surrendered now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. That is all from us. Thank you for your attention, and God bless you.